Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the April manifestation box by Gogh Jewelry Design to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the April 2026 manifestation box by Gogh Jewelry Design is here. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing crystal jewelry box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys don't know, every other month, Rena and I over at Boxes and Deals are doing this in collaboration. She's going to be showing you the Mother Earth Wrap Club, where I will be showing you the manifestation box. So once you're done watching this one, please pop on over to her channel. Subscribe if you haven't done so. She's amazing. You won't regret it. However, I will have her video listed and it's tagged. I think we can tag like a collab together now. So definitely once you're done with this video, pop on over to hers, see what they have in the Mother Earth Wrap Club for this month, and then you can come back and tell me which one you liked better. A great way to see both subscriptions to know which one's better for you or for a gift. But right now, I'm gonna show you again the manifestation box. They're both priced exactly the same, but they have different things inside. So that's why we love to show you both variations together. So let's go ahead and dive in. It always comes in their box. It says manifestation box. And then when you open her up, you always have a handwritten card right on the top from the owner. Attention to detail, spot on. And then you always do have a sticker. This one is super cute. There's always different stickers that hold the tissue paper together. And then when we remove that, that is everything that is down inside. So for this one, you will have two meditation cards. One for you to gift and one for you to keep, or you can keep them both, whatever you would like, but you always get two of them. The cure for anything is salt water, sweat, tears, or the sea. And definitely, mine don't come from the ocean because I don't get in the ocean since I've been a kid. Long story. But definitely sweat and tears are my two saltinesses right there. So there's the meditation cards. Then you also get two different papers in here. One of them is what we're working with for the month. So this month's theme is healing waters, salt water medicine. So you can go through and read this. Every month we have a new theme and a new thing we're working with. Then you also do let them know what your zodiac sign is, and you will get your own personal astrology. Mine is Scorpio, so here is my astrology for Scorpio for this month. I love to read that, a little bit of insight of what might be going on for the month, so you definitely have that. You also tell them your wrist size and the length of the necklace that you prefer. And this box is literally tailored for you. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's go with the necklace first. It always is in this box. You can store your jewelry in them so they're nice and safe and protected. Or if you have a little thing to hang them, you can do that as well. They always come with these cards, and I tell you guys, they're absolutely amazing. I can pretty much read almost everything on it, and that says a lot. That says a lot. Coming from me, that says a lot. However, there always is an actual image on there. I save these. I have them all in alphabetical order. So if ever I am trying to figure out which one is, what it means, I can look for it easily because they're in alphabetical order, or I can kind of skim through and look at the photo and try to match it up to know what it is if I don't already know the name. So I love keeping these. These are great things to have. I will read it in a moment, but let's go ahead and look at this month's necklace. Look at how beautiful. I do have the lapis lazuli. I got one of the bracelets in a subscription box, and then when she had like that amazing, I think it was Friday the 13th deal, bracelets down to $13, I went on a like shopping field day and bought I think 2 or 3 others just so I can stack them, have more. I don't know. I just love crystal bracelets. But that is actually so beautiful. It looks like a bottle, like almost like a potion bottle. I wonder if it does. Oh my gosh, is it gonna actually open? Hold on, it's unscrewing, but let me see if it actually, no. Oh, well, it actually does open. So I don't know if you would put like, maybe oils, essential oils or something inside of it, but it is a legit bottle with the top that comes off. That is so unique. I've never seen that. It is a little heavy because it's, you know, this huge chunk bottle, but it's not too heavy. That is so beautiful. So let's read what this crystal is. Lapis lazuli symbolizes wisdom, truth, and self-awareness. It enhances communication, encourages honesty, and helps align with one's higher self. Its healing powers include fostering mental clarity, embracing intuition, and promoting emotional balance. It supports spiritual growth, deepens inner peace, and encourages the expression of authentic truths. I think a lot of people need to wear this one. Oh my goodness. So let's get this off. Again, it does have a little bit of weight to it, not too much, but you can feel it. It's a bottle hanging there out of all crystals, and it's on a silver chain. So without my shirt behind it, you can see how it looks. And then with my shirt at normal length, there we go. So that is absolutely beautiful, and I love that crystal. So there's that. Then inside of here, you will have your bracelet and a healing crystal. Sometimes they match, and I love when they do. So they are definitely different crystals this month. It is not a matching set. Your bracelet is howlite. So for the howlite, this one strengthens memory and stimulates desire for knowledge. It teaches patience and helps to eliminate rage, pain, and stress. A calming stone, howlite claims communication, facilitates awareness, and encourages emotional expression. Howlite balances calcium levels in the body. See, both of those are perfect to be wearing. So here is, again, the bracelet. I just love the colors because it's like white with just like a little bit of gray through it. So literally you can wear it with anything. And then the healing crystal for this month, look at how gorgeous. And it has like a little rainbowy kind of hue to it. As you look through the light, I see like purples and kind of blues through it. And this is opalite. Blue and white, the two primary colors often found in opalite, are associated with peace, tranquility, and purity. It brings simple delights, quick mood boosts, and ability to turn a frown into a smile. Opalite reminds us to stay fun, cheery, and light-hearted. So great for all of them. And again, I love that you get these cards for each crystal, so you already know the name, the meaning, and all that, and you can keep these for referencing later. So that is everything for this April box, you guys. You have the healing crystal, the bracelet, and the necklace. Okay, you guys. So now that is everything for the April box. Don't forget, if you could please pop on over to Rena's video, see what she got in the Mother Earth Wrap Club, so then you can come back here and tell me which one you liked better. If you would like some information about the pricing, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code that will save you 20% off, and that is SheCrafty. So if you want to save the 20% off your first monthly subscription, SheCrafty will save you that. Now, both of the subscriptions, the Mother Earth Wrap Club and the Manifestation Box, they both have the same exact pricing. Even though they have different things inside, they are the same pricing. So month per month, no commitment. You can just do month per month. Any of them you can cancel at any time. Would be $39. If you would like to do a 3-month plan, that will bring your box price down to $36 per month. A 6-month plan will bring your box price down to $34 per box, and a full 12-month prepaid plan will bring that box price down to $33 per box, which is an amazing savings. So everything will be listed down below in the description box if you'd like to pop on over and check out the manifestation box or the Mother Earth Wrap Club. They also have like everything that you can imagine on their site that you can purchase without having a subscription. So if you just want to shop their site, I believe SheCrafty will save you 20% off there as well if you want to just shop their website. They have bracelets, they have anklets, they have necklaces, and they also do the wrap and the beaded bracelets. There's rings, I believe they have now, healing crystals, keychains. They have all of that individually, and they even have sets where there'll be like 3 bracelets together to save money. So if you would like to check out their site, you can definitely go and pop on over and see all of their amazing products they have to offer. And the owner even wrote a book, so you can even purchase her book. You can get it signed or not signed. So there is that option as well. So definitely everything will be in the description box. So you can pop on over and check them out. If you would like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.